Hi guys, samahan niyo akong magtimpla ng kape gamit ang Nescafe. So I only use this coffee. Actually, we have this one. This is, I don't know what kind of Barako. By, look at that. I cannot open. But I don't usually use this one. Kita niyo ba? See, marami pang laman. But I prefer to use this Nescafe stick. So, nintay ko pa yung tubig na uminit. This one. Okay, so mainit na yung tubig guys. So, ito lang, isang stick. And then, ito yung ginagamit ko. Yung full cream as a creamer or, no, instead of using yung mga powder na creamer, mas bet ko yung taste nito. Or yung Magnolia din. Kaysa yung, medyo matamis kasi yung mga powder. So, for me lang, na mas bet ko yung ganito. So, yun lang. Look at this. Ganyan lang karami. Marami na. And then, after that, init na yung tubig. That, nahirapan ako dati how to use this one, but then you have to long press this one and then that for your safety. Okay, to stop. Then